My 2026 Tesla Model Y is an amazing vehicle, but it does have one design flaw, and that flaw is the opening on the air intake at the bottom of the front bumper. If you look at it, it has these large holes that allow things like leaves and twigs and all kinds of road debris to go right through there, and basically anything that goes through there is going to gather up against your radiator. Now, if you're like me, you've never actually seen your radiator in your Tesla. It's not right there underneath the hood. Right underneath the hood we have a frunk, and so the best solution is to keep stuff from going up in there. That's why I bought these aftermarket Tesla grills. Now, these grills add a little bit of style, but honestly they're so low and kind of recessed in that it's hard for people to see unless you're driving past. If you see it in a parking lot, you can totally see them. But what's super cool about them is not just this honeycomb design, but this metal mesh that's behind the grill, and that keeps things like leaves and little bits of debris and road stuff from going up into your car and gathering up against that radiator. Installing these things is super simple. They just press in. They have a little bit of that 3M automotive tape that holds it in place on the ends, and then it has little clips that just press in and snap around the existing grill so it doesn't put any pressure on anything. Again, it's super easy to install. If you wanted to take them out, it wouldn't be difficult to remove them as well. There's also a little notch in there where you can see they've left a notch so it goes right around the camera, so it's a perfect fit. It's two pieces. You put the left side in there and then the right side kind of overlaps it a little bit and goes right in. So it does add a little bit of upgraded look to your Tesla, but more importantly, it's going to protect that opening and that air dam from sucking things in. This is one of those upgrades that's not only looks good on your car, but also is functional as well. So highly recommended, this one.